Buckets Blakes here, world famous Harlem Globetrotters. I'm on top of the Edo Optics DE Arena here in Hamburg. We about to get buckets, Globetrotter style. Had a wonderful time here in Hamburg, knocking a shot down from the top of the Edo Optics DE Arena. We're gonna come back here and play April 15th, 2018. You're gonna see a lot more cool stuff on the basketball court inside this arena. Maybe some cool stuff like this.